with another episode of Jive steps, social Jive steps. And today we'll be doing the roll in, roll out and the other combinations associated with that particular step. Today I have with me Ria also, who will be with me, accompanying me for this dance. So what we'll do is we'll start off with the Jive basic, and it's mostly a 4-step that we start off with. So the 4 steps would normally move, it's sideways, 2, 3, 4, and then I roll around 6, 7, 8 and walk back 8. Now here what I'll do is I'll roll her in and kick. Now I have an option of moving around towards my right. So it's mainly a roll in, I roll her in and roll her out. So this is how it will move on this. So all the steps are all counts of 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the guy stays there itself and guides the partner in. Now the option is of getting a partner in and sliding out and dropping her and opening her up again. So that is the option of this. So I'll just do it in a quick speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop and open her up again and out. Now the other option is of bringing your partner in, and as I'm bringing my partner in, I'm rolling her around me. So this 1, 2, 3, and I will roll her around me and then move her to the side. So you can move her around any amount of times, but preferably it's just 2 times so that you don't really overdo the step. So I'll just do it again. My partner will always be towards my right. Okay? So guys have to make note that your partner is always towards your right, and you have to turn your partner, the lead has to turn the partner around from the right itself. So it goes, now here I'll be moving her around and opening her up again. Now the other option is of the guys moving in. So what I'll do is I'll just do the swing and I'll move to the other side. So here I am moving to the other side. Now here I've got the option of moving in towards my partner and moving around. So instead of I'm getting my partner, earlier I would get my partner towards me and then I would move her around. Okay, here I'm moving her to the other side and from here. Now guys, make note this, whenever you're moving, doing the step is move towards your partner and walk backwards. And open her up again. And it's always towards the left. So I'll move her towards my left and then from here. And round and open up. Okay, so there's a roll in for the ladies where the guys turn the partner round and open her up, and the roll in for the gents, for the lead, whoever leading, but that lead will always happen with the left hand. So if your partner is on your left, then I walk in and don't leave this hand and just roll around till I turn. So these are the steps, basically the roll in, roll out, the drop. So we did, the first thing was roll the partner in, roll her out. Now once she's a little more stable, then you can drop her, open her up again, and the next is the roll around. And roll her out. And then the other step is the lead rolls around. So I roll around and move her around and turn. So these are a few basic steps that we have got together, and stay tuned for more steps basically which we'll be doing later on. We'll be posting it up on YouTube and other social media platforms. So stay tuned and keep in touch and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.